beyond your speculation. Don't try to argue. Don't be foolish, don't be rascal. It is how you can, because it is beyond your conception. There is no question of it. By argument, by speculation, by logic, you cannot understand what is soul, what is God. That is not possible. Achinta khalu je pava natastarkena jujayat. Don't waste your time. So, similarly, we do not know what is God by speculation. That is not possible. And religion means the science of God. Religion means the science of God. So how religion, you can understand that this is proper religion? Because you do not know God, neither it is possible to speculate on God. Then how I shall accept religion? Just try to understand. Religion means the science of God. It is not a sentiment, it is science. So, if you want to know that science, therefore Vedic injunction is tad vijnanartham sa gurumeva avigachet. In order to know that science, knowledge, you must approach Guru. That is practical. Even for material science, you go to school, college to learn from the authority. How you can learn about God, about soul, without approaching a proper person who knows it? So that is the way. That is the way. You cannot speculate. Athapiti deva padambujadayam prasaduleshanugrhita eva hi janati tattam. Tattam. The truth one can understand who has received the mercy of God. Therefore we sing, Guru is the mercy. Mercy of God. God is so merciful that He is within yourself. He is trying to teach you. And internally and externally He appears as Guru to teach you. Mercy. So therefore Guru is considered as good as Krishna. Sakshad harityena samasta shastra. In all the shastras, the Guru is respected as Krishna is respected. Sakshad harityena. Haritya. Hari means Lord. Samasta, in all these scriptures, Guru is accepted as Krishna. But he never says that he is Krishna, neither he is Krishna. Then what is his position? Kintu Prabhurja Priya eva tasya. He is the most confidential servant of Krishna. He will never say that I am Krishna, I am God. That is not Guru. Guru must place, he knows perfectly that he is serving Krishna. His business is to serve Krishna. Krishna wants all these fallen souls to be delivered because they are Krishna's part and parcel. Just like a rich man, if his son goes out of home, he is suffering. His father knows the rascal boy is suffering. He is very anxious to get him back. Bring this rascal at home. That is father's concern. Naturally. Similarly, Krishna is more eager to take you back. Therefore he comes. He comes. He has got his agent, the Guru. He has got his instruction, the Bhagavad Gita. The whole concern is that God is so anxious, Krishna is anxious, to call back these rascals back to home, back to God. So sometimes he is so eager that he comes himself. Just like I have sent some my agent to do something, I am seeing that it is being delayed. So I go there. What you are doing? Why it is so delayed? Like that. Therefore Krishna says, Jada jada hi dharma saglani bhavati bharata tadatmanam sujamham. Dharma saglani, discrepancy in the execution of religious principles. The religion means, we have already explained, religion means the science of God. So the chance is there in the human form of body to understand the science of God. In the body of cats and dogs, it is not possible. Therefore, this life should be fully utilized for understanding the science of God. And understanding, as Yudhishthira Maharaj, now he is closing the business. The business is that I am creating this body. Just like a businessman opens a business house, sometimes when the business is simply troublesome, he liquidates. Similarly, we should come into the understanding that our material business is always troublesome. Is it not troublesome? Practical, material business. Suppose in this life you have got all good facilities, you have got a skyscraper building, nice. Suppose you are Mr. Ford. He was the very rich man in your country. Sir, where is Mr. Ford now? That they do not see. That they have no eyes. In Paris I saw some statue of Napoleon. There is written, Napoleon is France. France is Napoleon. But I inquired, then where is Mr. Napoleon? The France is there, but where is Napoleon? You see? This is called ignorance, Maya. When Napoleon was very victorious, he might think that I am making my France very strong, very powerful. But that's all right. But you are not powerful, you have to go away. By one kick of nature, go away. That they do not see. This is called ignorance. Bhutta bhutta praliyate. So what is the meaning of this business? Suppose you have got, well, that Mr. Ford, Henry Ford, he did a very... Now everything is left. He could not take even a single cent with him when he was dying. Everything was left. Now, tatha dehantara prapti, he has got another body. Nobody cares, nobody knows. Suppose Mr. Henry's children, they do not know. Not only they, everyone, politicians, they are statues, worshipped, but nobody knows where that Mr. Napoleon, Mr. Washington, Mr. Gandhi has gone. They do not know. They are worshipping the material statue. That's all. Ignorance. Bhuteja. It is called bhuteja. One of our big politician, Indian politician, some astrologer said that he has become a dog in Scandinavia. But you cannot deny. You cannot deny. If you believe, first of all you have to believe that the soul transmigrates. That's a fact. That we are doing every day, every minute. Simply it requires little brain, dhira. Dhirastatta namayati. Tatha dehantara prapti dhirastatta namayati. Dhira means sober. What is the difficulty to understand? I was a child, you are a child, just like these children talking without any meaning, but they're children, they're excused. The same child will become a young man, old man. The body has changed. Just like I was also a child, you were also a child. In childhood, we have done so many nonsense things. But in this body, I'm not doing anything. I have to consider. Thank you very much.